Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your payments with Stripe easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your payments with Stripe, start by logging into your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Payments tab on the left sidebar. Here, you will see a list of all recent transactions. Select a specific payment you want to verify. Click on the payment to view its detailed information. Check the payment status displayed at the top of the details page. A status of succeeded means the payment has been processed successfully. If the status shows pending, the payment is still processing. Look for any additional details provided under the transaction. This section may show reasons for any failed payments, if applicable. Make a note of the payment method used for the transaction. If the payment was made via credit card, ensure the card details are correct. For refunds, navigate to the Refunds section within that payment detail. You can also check for any associated fees in the transaction details. If you need to track this payment over time, take note of its unique transaction ID. Make sure to monitor your bank account for any pending authorizations. For more in-depth issues, refer to Stripe's support documentation directly. This will help you understand any specific errors related to your payments. Maintain records of communication with customers regarding payment verification. Remember to regularly audit your payments to ensure accuracy. This will help you identify any discrepancies early on. By following these steps, you will effectively verify your payments with Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.